Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Mondays with the Mayor. I am Mayor Clay Walker of the Denali Borough, and today is March 1st, 2021, coming up on the one-year anniversary of the COVID pandemic. I'll never forget, March 11th last year was our last in-person assembly meeting, and the virus was getting really hot. Tom Hanks got it that day, and the next day on March 12th, the president declared a state of emergency. On March 13th, that Friday, the governor shut down our schools. So, pretty much a year to the date, we have our first mass vaccination clinic planned that I want to tell you about. Friday, March 12th, upcoming. Registration just opened. It's a first dose clinic for the Moderna vaccine, which is a 2-shot regimen. So the second clinic, the second dose clinic, will be April 9th. So to register for the March 12th clinic, you also want to be available for that April 9th clinic as well. People have been getting their shots. Seniors, of course, as we know, the first eligibility. And there have been about 200 shots given here at the Healy Clinic, over 100 down in Cantwell, and some folks have been going up to Fairbanks to get shots. And this is our first mass vaccination clinic. We have about over 400 doses to give out on that day. So it's quite an organizational feat. And really want to encourage folks to consider getting the vaccine. I did sign up for the clinic myself. I am eligible. And I want to walk you through the registration process online. It's pretty simple. But if you don't have access online, I want to give you the state's phone number to call where they can get you registered for this Tri-Valley Community Center pod on March 12th. That phone number is 907-646-3322. They can help you get set up there if you don't use the internet regularly. But if you're comfortable signing up online, it's really simple. I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to start on the state website. It's the state website starting point, and that's where I start. And I just click on coronavirus, and then you scroll down on the coronavirus page, check out the stats along the way, and you come to the vaccine. Click on that vaccine information. All right. So we're on the vaccine page. Take the eligibility quiz. Check your eligibility. Now, we do hope that the state's going to open up more eligibility prior to the 12th clinic. But right now, there's the list here of who's eligible, and you can take the quiz. And I click on more appointments open regularly. There's different ways to get to our clinic and different resources here. But I just click on the first one, and that gets you there. For our clinic is on the state system here under the vaccine appointments. And you don't need to go to the map. I don't think we're on that map, but just go down and look at the actual appointments, actual locations, actual pods, actual clinics. You'll see the big ones up in Fairbanks at the Carlson Center, where they have about 300 spots open on the 4th. Now let's scroll down here, and here we are today for the first time. Our pod is listed, it's live, and it started out with 440 appointments, and still plenty of availability, 372 appointments available. You click on Tri-Valley Community Center. It's from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So as you'll see, all the different time slots have lots of availability, and that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. I did it this morning, and looking forward to receiving my first dose on that day. It's a big step forward in putting the coronavirus pandemic behind us. And I really appreciate everybody working together to get to this point. It's been a lot of work on the borough's front to pull these partners together, but the partners have really worked well together, from ICHC, the Healy Clinic, to Tri-Valley Volunteer Fire Department, to the National Park Service. They've been a partner in this, And we can't do it without public health. They are providing public health nurses on that day, and they are providing the medical backing. So it is sponsored by public health. And it's the one big clinic that we have planned, and we do hope that it works for you on the time frame. And let's all think about taking advantage of these opportunities locally here and working towards moving forward beyond COVID-19. Let's all get vaccinated. We're glad to see the vaccine flowing well throughout the state. We do hope for more eligibility in terms of the tiers coming up, and we do want to see this available locally as well as up in Fairbanks. So thanks everyone, and we'll see you on March 12th. It's going to be a big day here at the Tri-Valley Community Center. Stay well. Bye-bye.